Okay, we're going to run our American Firearms manufacturing pistol next. A little bit higher quality than the X-Cam. And again, we're at 7 yards, 25 auto. Oh. Stovepipe. Didn't seem to want a chamber. Of course, this ammo's old and kind of cruddy. Well, malfunction city. Yeah, well, this one appears to be a bit more well made. I don't know if it's tight tolerances or what to clean that chamber out, I think. Yeah. Needs to be cleaned. But this gun's a bit more accurate than the other. Of course, it's larger and you can get a hold of it better. Doesn't feel like a toy gun. Taking this thing apart is a royal pain. That's why I really didn't quite clean it. But yeah, it's got to be cleaned. Yeah, it's kind of continuously stovepiping. I think the chamber's fouled. Yep, getting worse as we go. Well, I'm going to call that it for a day. I ain't going to fool with it no more until I get it apart and clean it. We'll go take a look at the target. There is a bit of a difference. Okay, even though the gun malfunctions, there's a bit better accuracy with it. It's more because of the size. It fits your hand. And the mechanism's a lot smoother. When you pull the trigger, it's a smooth pull. Doesn't feel like a toy gun. So, if I could figure out why it's stovepiping, generally, them cases are coming out of there blacker than hell. So, I couldn't really get it apart to clean it. I should scrub the chamber and scrub the bore out. Probably a buildup in there. I just lightly cleaned it. So, we'll take a look at it and get it back. It's a shame because it's a nice weapon and accurate.